Hello ladies, welcome back to Safe Mommy, Safe Baby. I'm Grace, and today I want to be discussing 7 ways in which women of family sexual assault and or incest avoid motherhood. So here's number 1. You're overwhelmed at the idea of motherhood, mainly because you don't think that you can maintain your autonomy and become a mother. Number 2. There's the thought of I couldn't protect myself, so there's no way that I can protect my child, or I'm not equipped with the skills that I need in order to protect my child. The idea of motherhood being a huge gamble that you're not ready to gamble. Number 3. You told yourself that you cannot become a mother unless certain things in your life are in place. Certain things like time, space, freedom, money, or whatever you deem necessary to be in place in order for you to become a mother, in order for it to be safe for you to become a mother. Number 4, there's a crippling thought of you not being able to live with the idea of your child being affected or abused. Let's just be frank. Number 5, you know that if you have a child and you're not confident that you'll turn out to be a helicopter mother, you won't have the skills that you need to, or the emotional capacity or the emotional tranquility you need to allow your child to grow safely, be a child without being a helicopter mom. Being like everywhere, overshadowing your child, not giving them a normal lifestyle, a normal upbringing. So there's that. Number 6, you've convinced yourself that your proximity to motherhood and playing auntie, godmother, neighbor, you've convinced yourself that that proximity is close enough. So it feeds your desire. Being a godmother feeds your desire of motherhood. Being that good old auntie feeds your desire of motherhood. And you've convinced yourself that that proximity is enough. And number 7. Oh, I think we got 8. I have 8 because I just seen another one that I put and I must have missed it. Child, who's crying? Somebody baby crying right now. It's early morning. It's giving like, when they don't want to go to school, or they didn't wake up in a good mood. That's kind of what that cry sounds like. Number 7, you're having an unsatisfactory, intimate, physical life. Your sex life sucks. Or even if it doesn't suck, it is not to your satisfaction. Your desires are not being met consistently, and therefore you don't believe it is worth reproducing with the person whom you're with. Number 8. This one might be what they call it, unpopular opinion, but it's real. So you've developed a tangible crutch that you're now, it is so tangible that it has become the unconscious, real scapegoat for you. These tangible crutches include hormonal issues, fertility issues, weight issues, and because they're so real, these are now we done moved on from emotion, and now we're into, oh no, I have a diagnosis. Oh no, I feel pain. Oh no, I have PCOS. And I'm not taking away from those women who have these things, but we're only focusing on those who have experienced family abuse and or incest and have developed a tangible crutch. Yes, it is possible for you to develop a real scapegoat. Yes, it is possible to make yourself ill. And because this scapegoat is no longer in your mind, it's no longer in your chest, it's no longer in your heart, it's no longer on your conscience, it's actually tangible. Now it's real. Now it's, I can't be a mother because I have such and such. I have fertility issues. You have fertility issues because you drove yourself into fertility issues, because you've made your reality a reality. So these are some things that we work on in the Safe Mommy, Safe Baby program. And I'm Grace, the founder of Safe Mommy, Safe Baby, if I didn't introduce myself earlier. And I specialize with women who have experienced incest or family sexual abuse. I support you to master your emotional skill set so that you can feel safe in your body, experience healthy intimacy the way that you need it, the way that you want it, have peaceful autonomy over your life in the way that you need it in order to become the mother that you've always desired to become. Because you don't want to lose yourself just because you became a mother. You want motherhood to merge into the life that you want for yourself. It's a part of your life. It's not your entire life. See, you may be able to turn down the volume of your desire, but you'll never stop having the feeling. You'll never stop feeling the feeling. You'll never stop hearing the feeling. And you'll never stop hearing the sound of motherhood. It is in you for a reason. It is your desire. And it ain't going away. It might get clouded. The sound and the feelings might be suppressed, but it isn't going away. So, if you're ready to make a U-turn off of Avenue Avoidant and back that way, if you're ready to drive yourself into the life that you've always envisioned for yourself and for your children, then go ahead and download the Emotional Mastery Guide. I'll link it below. And the Emotional Mastery Guide, it guides you through emotional clarity, with emotional mastery, so that you can understand your resilience to becoming the confident mother that you've always wanted to be, all while preserving your autonomy, preserving your intimacy, and again, having motherhood become a part of your life and not take over your life. Also having your concerns that are very real. Your concerns are very real, and the guide will help you to understand that your concerns are not burdens, but instead they're attributes into your unique parenting style. And you can also check out Dear Diary. Dear Diary is a 4-month transformational container where I work with you one-on-one, privately, so that you can become the confident mother that you've always envisioned yourself to be, feeling like a safe mother so that you can go on and have safe children. Safe mommy, safe baby. In Dear Diary, we're basically we're waking up that dream. We're waking up that diary entry that you've had that has dust on it. It's still a diary entry. It's still a dream of yours. It isn't going away. So in this program, we work on cultivating your confidence and creating everything that you need so that you can be a safe, confident mother on your way to motherhood and in motherhood, with lasting effects, so that you can nurture your children Create an environment for your children where you feel safe. Regulate your nervous system. Hold space in your heart, your mind, and your body for change. All while, again, maintaining your autonomy and adding value to your life. So if this sounds like something that is good for you, please go ahead and comment below on any ways that you have noticed that you have been avoiding motherhood, whether you resonate with any of the ways, any of the 8 ways which I have mentioned, or whether you've noticed something in yourself that I have not mentioned. I'd love to know. So please share below. This is a public platform, so if you feel more confident with having privacy, feel free to email me. I'll also apply my link in the description, because this is a very private topic, as I understand, and some women may not feel comfortable, which is completely understandable, posting here. I would love to see your comments here, but again, I would love to see your comments in my email as well. So I overall would just love to hear if any of these reasons have resonated with you, or if you've noticed any other reasons that I have not mentioned, or if you have noticed any other reasons that I have not mentioned that you find in yourself or that you see in yourself. Please feel free to let me know. I'd love to know. Yeah. Thanks. Until next time, I'm Grace, and I'm here to support you into your confident motherhood.